Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. The FedEx freight man showed up this morning with the log splitter for the KX57 excavator. It was a little sketchy out there on the road getting them unloaded with the traffic, but everything worked out. I got it up here to the house. I probably won't put this on the excavator till maybe tomorrow or the next day. I still need to clean up some snow around here and down at the wood yard, but let me show you what I got here. This is a split fire 4209 log splitter, and like I said, this mounts on the excavator. What I will use this for are real big rounds, you know, 30 40 inch diameter oak logs, things like that. I will bust them down to size so I can then get them on the Wolfe Ridge splitter and finish them off for bundle wood or bulk firewood. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Like I said, this is the split fire made in Canada. I've watched a lot of videos on these and it looks like a really good product, and you can split both ways with it. So this wedge here moves over this way, pick up a round on that side, split one that way. It'll work really well for what I need it for. Also, they did a really nice job of palletizing this. There's no damage or anything. The paint all looks good. This right here, this is a stand for it when not in use. But yeah, they did a nice job. There are the hoses right there, and I'll show you the machine it's going on. So that'll go right on this excavator. I've got two sets of auxiliary hydraulics here, one for the thumb, and here's another set. This is what the log splitter will hook up to. I can leave the thumb on, no problem at all. Should work out really well. I brought this inside the other day before all the snow. I'm glad I did. And by the way, we finished all the framing inside the building here. Next up will be electricians, and plumber Jim will be up sometime, get that stuff done, and then we can start with the finish work. But this right here will be a little office. This will be where Melissa does all the shirt orders and things like that here. Little utility room over there. A big closet right here. This is where the pressure tank and you know, the water comes in. I'll have a jet pump in here for the cistern tank that's outside the building there. And I was thinking we may make one little change here, I'm not sure, but this is the kitchen right here. This closet doesn't need to be that big. I may put like a shelf with cabinet doors in here for kind of like a pantry right here. I mean, I don't think we're going to use this kitchen like you would one in your house, but some additional storage would be nice. The fridge will go there, stove there, sink over here. This will be the bar right here. We may go with concrete bar top. Tom from Concrete with the Hosses was over the other day looking at that. Closet right here. We'll have a door right there coming out of the shop into the game room. Bathroom right here. We made this a little bit bigger than we originally planned, but that shower unit fits right over there. Little vanity and a toilet. But I really like how the kitchen turned out. You can see up there We came off with a shed roof up there. And then up top here, we built that up right there. I'll have like a false beam across there. These will be 14-foot roof panels across here, from there to that one over there. We're actually thinking, kind of playing around with colors and stuff now, what we're going to do in here, but maybe even go like a copper colored liner panel or something on the ceiling. And then we had to do some framing up around the top, all the way around, because of the bolts on those beams, but it's actually going to work out really well. We're going to put that rope lighting in. It'll kind of shine up on the ceiling, kind of give a nice glow. It's like LED rope lighting, I guess it is. I looked it up and talked to some people about it. It should look good. And then right over here by the ladder is where the legacy stove will be. We'll have a wood burner in there. And like I said, this has all got radiant floor heat in here. And it'll be good. So that's the update on the inside here. Next up, I need to finish up all the snow removal here around the building. I got all the neighbors and my family done. I kind of purposely waited till today to do all this here because we had a little bit more snow last night. Plus it was blowing a whole bunch. And plus, after I do that, I promised Archie I would take him for a hike in the woods. So we're going to do that this morning as well. He looks a little cold here this morning. But anyway, I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by HelloFresh, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they deliver pre-portioned ingredients and seasonal recipes delivered right to your door. Like most everyone, we're busy all the time, and getting a home-cooked meal on the table every day is an accomplishment worth celebrating. HelloFresh can help with 50 weekly menu and market items to choose from, so you can think less about what's for dinner and more about achieving your goals. I have been doing my best to eat better for the new year. I'm really not big into New Year's resolutions, but I have been doing a pretty good job at it so far, and HelloFresh helps with that. We've been using HelloFresh now for a little over a year, and I can honestly say every meal was absolutely delicious. I've mentioned before, daughter Eva is by far our most picky eater. She enjoys everything as well. HelloFresh saves time and reduces stress. They offer a wide variety of quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, easy cleanup, and low prep options. Pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep and less wasted food. One more thing I like about HelloFresh is I don't have to run to the grocery store for Melissa when she's in the middle of preparing a meal and is missing one little ingredient. If you want more information, go to HelloFresh.com and use code OUTDOORS16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. All right, next up, I need to clean up all this snow right here. I will dig out that firewood bucket over there, put it away, take the forks off the tractor. I'll use the rear blade on the big tractor to pull all this out in the parking lot a little bit away from the concrete. Well, that looks better. I got the parking area cleaned up there a little bit. Tomorrow now, it's supposed to get up above freezing, maybe like 35, 38 degrees. But after that, it looks cold for the next couple weeks. I still have a little more snow to move down at the wood yard, but I want to get set up for when it's cold, that we can be splitting some wood. But anyway, I promised Archie a walk, and that's what we're gonna go do. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Wanna go? You ready? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Leave that there. So the other day, Piper hurt her back leg. We're not sure what happened. We took her to the vet. They checked her out. They think she's going to be okay. But her and Rigger, they stay pretty tight with one another. So I left those two back in the house, and we're going to burn some energy off Archie here. Come on. He's like halfway back to the house. Come on. Let's go. Well, Archie and I just got back from our little hike there. He's back in the house, but can you imagine having that much energy? That dog is unbelievable. But anyway, coming up in the near future, you'll be seeing the split fire 4209 on the Kubota excavator, splitting some big oak rounds. Should work out great. Couple more things before we wrap this video up. Number one, don't forget, send in the pictures of you and your tractor, your grandkids in your tractor, your skid steer, your riding mower, whatever. Send them to pics, P-I-C-S, owtm@gmail.com, and we will include them in an upcoming video. I also want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. There'll be a link in the description if you want more information on that. And I appreciate y'all being here. I really do. Comment down below, share these videos with your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.